Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected the president of the program, all the guests, all the teachers and all the students of my madrasa. You take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All praise for Almighty Allah. I just want to tell you about the student life. وَمَا تَوْفِقِ إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ. اقرأ بِاسْمِ رَبِّكَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ. Read in the name of your Lord who created. Student life is the starting period of life for reading. Student life is the most important and golden period of every human life. A student learn many things from the book, but he has to enter the real world after his student life is over. So needs practical knowledge of things. Student life depends a man live a successful life. In fact, student life is life of learning. Students learn morality and good manner. Student life is life of discipline. In home, a student may behave well or badly, but the environment of the madrasa is completely different. Good students are loved and praised, and weak students are punished. All students have to obey the rules and regulation madrasa and also the advice and order of teachers. Thus they earn real and appropriate discipline in the madrasa. In his student life, discipline makes them selfless life. Perfect use of time during the period student life is very important. I pray to Almighty Allah that He may give us a appropriate and suitable student life. Amin. Ya Allah Rabbul Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.